How would I sum up our first year in a word? I'd say transformational.
I think the thing I'm most proud of in what we've achieved in the first year is that we're working as equal partners with all the other organisations in Wales with a clearly understood common goal, which is how can digital help transform the services that the citizens of Wales get in their health and care.
If we consider what's happened over the last year with during the pandemic and what Digital Healthcare Wales has been able to deliver to help the delivery of the vaccine programme, we were #1 in the world. And there's a reason for that, because we worked with our users, we collaborated across different healthcare sectors to deliver something that did the job.
It's been a fantastic first year. I don't think any of us really realised how successful the Welsh Nursing Care Record was going to be and how staff have completely transformed their ways of working.
Within the clinical environment, nurses really picked up that process of going from paper to digital quite quickly without any form of concern really, and I think again that's a success of the way that digital has supported us through that process.
Looking back at our first year, one of the highlights for me was the work that we've done to improve the resilience of our systems, both cyber and other resilience. We undertook a really substantial data centre move over the summer last year, and we did that without disrupting any of our services.
The awards that we've won, I guess, are an indication of some of the good work that we've been doing. So recently won the People's Choice Award for Impact at the Digital Health Awards. Really proud of the team and the wider organisation and what it's taken to develop and deliver that. It's underpinned the entire mass vaccination programme for Wales. The Welsh Nursing Care Record is probably another that I would highlight. Again, award-winning. It won the UK IT Industry Best IT Health Project Award last year. I mean, you know, we've competed against everyone in the UK and won that award.
I would say Digital Health and Care Wales have to be considerably proud of their staff. People behind the scenes who've actually been supporting the system, who've been working together, sometimes overtime and tirelessly out of hours, trying to ensure that systems are available, they perform as expected, and the data is not compromised.
It's been an amazing year to be working in Digital Health and Care Wales. We've kept on supporting the whole of the NHS and social care through an extraordinary time, and we've kept on finding out what needs to be done, responding to that, and being able to be a support across the whole system.
Delivery of the data platform and the data architecture for NHS Wales is a huge priority for us.
In terms of the future for Digital Healthcare Wales, I see the organisation growing stronger and stronger. I see the partnership and stakeholder engagement that we have delivering some real benefits for individuals and citizens across Wales.
When I look back in, say, 4 years' time as to at the achievements of DHCW, I know that what I will see will be huge transformation of the way in which we use digital to support health and care in Wales. And the really important characteristic of that transformation is that it will have put the person, the individual, at the very heart of anything that is done.